Former Jedi Master Shark Zaman put himself in exile because his nephew turned to the dark side of the Force and he got really sad. So he decided to spend the rest of his life making the world's tastiest sandwich. After a boring day of sandwich making, guess what happened? A parrot came flying in saying, "Hi, Shark Zaman, I heard you're a former Jedi Master." Shark Zaman said, "Who told you that? I'm sick of this. Oh no, I'm not going to do any of that." And then guess what? The parrot, turns out it's only Daft Parrot, and he started attacking Shark Zaman, so he had to shoot at it going pow, 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 pow like that. And it hit the parrot right at the bottom, boom, look at that, pow, like that, and he flew away. So Shark Zaman deleted all his personal data off all the internets because he didn't want to be chased down by Daft Parrot again. Isn't it, people?